morning, my junior KG kids. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are fine and spending a quality time with your friends and family. I am Malin Poddar from Market and Drama, and today I am going to teach you that is feelings and emotions. Feelings and emotions. When I am feeling happy, I have a big smile on my face. Feel like I'm full of energy. Want to jump for joy. What makes me feel happy? Something just make me feel happy, like having fun with my friends, having my favorite drinks, stay with my family. When I'm feeling sad, my smile disappears. I want to stay in bed. I want to cry. What makes me feel sad? Something just make me feel sad, like my mummy and daddy arguing. My favorite toy is broken. Someone else is sad. When I'm feeling angry. I want to stomp my feet. Want to scream and yell. Feel like I'm going to explode. What makes me feel angry? Something just make me feel angry, like when someone makes fun of me, when someone ruined my painting, when I was blamed for something I didn't do, when I'm feeling shy. I feel like my heart is racing. I got red in my face. I want to hide behind my parents. What makes me feel shy? Something just make me feel shy, like when I meet mom and dad's friends, when I have to speak in front of the class, when going to a new school. These are the 4 most important feelings and emotions. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.